Barry, when you think of Purity cylinder gases, what do you think of?
Oh my gosh. Coffee, donuts, sales.
Wrong. When you think of Purity cylinder gases, what do you think?
Great people.
Wrong.
I think of a funny sign out front that doesn't work right now.
Wrong.
Making popcorn for the customers and for ourselves.
Wrong. I mean, those are all true, but that's not what we're looking for here. Paul.
Hi, Keith.
When you think of Purity cylinder gases, what do you think?
The best Christmas promotions in town.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Take a look at that and let me know what you think.
You can tell whoever put this together didn't take much time.
You shut your face.
So there we are. There we have it.
I've already bought 2. Boy, he's a great.
You did?
I use them for duck hunting. They're pretty awesome. I didn't think the pen light, being able to hold it in your mouth, would be so useful, but it is extremely useful.
Yes. Because like I don't go anywhere without a flashlight, ever.
You bought that before?
I bought several of these. As you can see, this one's been through the ringer. It's been stuck in my recliner chair a few times. It's been dropped on the ground. It's gone through the dryer and still goes. I like the extended bits. I like this, it's got a strong magnet in it. So it actually holds your bit and the screw.
So have you bought any of these before?
I have, I bought these. These are the ones we've been selling forever. Really good, high quality steel bit. And now this is something new, these step bits. Come with a little heftier price tag, but we've had them now for a couple months and they have been selling and having great reviews.
Yeah, people love them.
Yeah. So 211, $300 manufacturer rebate, and I don't think I need to introduce this machine. It's been around for a long time. Stood the test of time. I actually personally own one. Square wave TIG is a one and done TIG machine.
What do you get with a square wave TIG?
You also get a $600 manufacturer rebate, and a free helmet, $24.50.
It's a nice
So
helmet.
that's a bump up, bigger lens. The ESAB Rebel AC/DC welding machine.
What do you get with that machine?
You're gonna get a $300 manufacturer rebate, plus a free Swarm helmet and a Yeti tumbler.
Have you seen those Yetis yet?
I have, they're pretty sweet.
Let's go upstairs and look at some of the freebies now.
Okay. Look at this. We are set for Christmas. So the Contender and the Performer torches, you buy those, you get a light and a hat.
So what do you think about that light, Paul?
It's pretty cool. It's got a little hook, you can hang it right here, clamp it, and it's a magnet. New Purity Trucker hat. 215, you get an 1840. You get into the square wave TIG, you get a 2450, a step up. Then you get into the 262, and not only do you get their big bad boy 3350 helmet, you also get this sweet camouflage backpack from Lincoln, which is pretty awesome. Holds your helmet, holds all your gear.
Do you have one of those backpacks?
I do have one of these backpacks.
What do you think of it?
It's awesome. Hypertherm, you get all kinds of goodies with this. So you get the 30 air, which is handy in itself because it's got the built-in air compressor. And then, to sweeten the deal, we're throwing in this sweet Yeti Hypertherm Purity coffee mug. What goes better with your coffee than a 6-pack of cold beer that you can keep in your Hypertherm cooler? And if that's not enough, we're also throwing in a kit with all your consumables to get started. So when you buy any of these three, the bandsaw, the drill press, or the sander, we throw in a pair of clamps, which are those bad boys right there.
How do those feel in your hand?
Sturdy, durable.
You know clamps, don't you?
I know clamps, let me tell you. Clamp the crap out of stuff. Then if you buy just their vise or their bench grinder, you get this as a pretty sweet deal. It's an angle finder square. So not only is it your speed square, but you can find your angles of your cuts, and it can lock it so you can save that and mark it on your piece of wood or whatever on your piece of steel.
A pivot square.
Pivot square. They are pretty sweet. Another deal we're throwing in, you buy the Metal Devil saw, which is an awesome saw. Pretty much everybody knows that.
Here's a demo saw right there.
Right there.
Gets used a lot. Customers love them.
And what we're gonna do is sweeten the deal and throw in a blade.
Some nice blades.
Those are really nice blades. These metal saws which are awesome. You got the battery one and the cord one, and they're about the same price, which is pretty unbelievable to me. Not only if you buy one of these do you get one, but you get 2 free steel cutting Milwaukee blades. Any 2 of these tools, tool only.
And what do you get?
You get the free battery. You get one of these bad boys, which if you buy it by itself is almost $200.
You got
so
it.
that is a pretty sweet deal. Digital Infinity, Miller's Digital Infinity.
Those are nice helmets.
Those are nice helmets. And everybody knows the craze right now going on with the Stanley Cups. Look what you get when you buy one. A Stanley travel mug.
That's a legit Stanley right there.
That is.
Courtesy of Miller. And Purity.
And Purity. Mainly Purity.
Paul, I love it.
Sweet.
Thanks for showing us around.
No problem. Anytime, Keith. Purity, the best welding company in the world.
That's a fact.
It is.
Google it.